Hello everyone, it's Kira here, reading from Divine Soul Whispers, Depth of Love. In the depth of love, smooth and gentle, intimate and restful is the feeling of love, rippling like waves on a calm summer day, gently blown by the evening wind. The feeling of love, like a reflection of rays of sunlight hitting the water, like a warm velvet blanket on a chilly winter day. Love will rock you to sleep, leading you to dreamtime, where all is magical in love. There's no place to be, no place to go, but rather stillness is all you need. As the rushing love waves fill my heart, in the depth of love is where I want to be. This is Kira, reading from Divine Soul Whispers. Talk to you soon. Bye.